Didn't say hi. He's an old man. He's an old man. He's an old man. Hello, hello. I'm a hot mess per usual. Today we're talking about the Makeup Revolution in real life, our IRL filter finish concealer. I will tell you that there were not very many shades when I was there, shocker. And so this was the only one that kind of looked like I got C10, and this is the only one that kind of looked like my shade. And I got it home and the packaging had been opened. So I'm not sure if somebody swatched this and I'm gonna break out because they had their grubby ass little hands all over it. Oh my God, my dog is gonna pull down my, we're back. My dog is like all over me, I don't know why. Okay, anyway, so I don't know if I'm gonna break out because somebody had their grubby little hands on this wand, but I'm too lazy to go back to the store and get another one, and I don't want to pay for another one. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this on the face and pray that I don't break out or get some sort of weird disease and or rash. Okay, let's jump into the description and we'll get it on the face. Okay, this is $7, so we love the price. We're loving her already. The Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Finish Concealer gives soft focus, instant coverage to filter out blemishes, dark circles, and fine lines in real life. This ultra buildable full coverage concealer has a breathable soft matte formula. Love that. Super comfortable wear, will stay put for 16 hours. Easy to use, precise flat tip applicator provides coverage with just one swipe, allowing a controlled application even in those hard to reach areas like the inner corner of your eyes. It's the perfect tool for contouring too, making it the most transformative item in your makeup bag. Conceal, correct, and contour. Benefits: full coverage, breathable, lightweight, blends effortlessly, 16-hour wear, soft matte finish, oil-free, crease-proof, sweat-proof, waterproof, cruelty-free. Key ingredients: enriched with first to market Vitox with okra extract and hyaluronic acid. I feel like they literally just go out in a field and they just pick these things up and they're like, let's put it in the concealer and we're gonna be like, yes, this is it. Hyaluronic acid, this vegan cruelty formula, cruelty-free alternative to smooth and plump fine lines, creating that filter effect in real life. How to use: use the precision flat tip applicator to dab under the eyes and onto blemishes, dark circles, redness, pigmentation, or contour points. Blend into the skin with a makeup brush, beauty blender, or your fingers. There was another product that I didn't like. I think I tried their foundation a long time ago and I didn't like it. It looked super cakey and heavy. I think it was like concealer, the one with the wand on it. I don't remember liking that. I think that's what I tried. There was something else. Did I try? I might have tried another of their concealers, like back in the day, like maybe my first concealer that I ever tried. And I thought it looked good because it was my first concealer, but then after trying other concealers, I was like, ooh, I don't know. But I really haven't tried much from this brand. There was a powder the other day at Target that I was like, should I get it? $7 powder, I can test it out. I didn't end up picking it up, but maybe that's what I should do, is pick it up and try it out because I need to find a win for this brand, okay? Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get it on the face. I'm gonna do a before and after side by side because I'm gonna do my concealer trick where I do it under the eyes and on the top of the forehead and then blend it all over. And it's hard to do just half the face doing that. So that's, I think, the way that we're gonna test this out. Okay, we're dotted. Let's get to blending. It blended super easily. And it's definitely like blurring and it's definitely matte. But here's the after. Okay, close. I feel like it looks nice on the skin. I really don't. I have a dry patch on my nose. That's great. I need to put some more moisturizer on my nose. No, but I think it looks really nice so far. It's kind of covering up my dark circles. Maybe we just do just a touch, baby touch more under the eyes. But it's smoothed out under the eyes. It doesn't look like cakey or creasy. Okay, let's just do like just a dabble do ya, and we're gonna try to build it up just a little bit in the, under the eyes, because this is, I think it's supposed to be full coverage, but I did swipe it around the face quite a bit, so let me just try to build it up just a little bit. Oh yeah, that built up and it looks good. it looks really good. See, I should have just done one side, but see, it's buildable. You can still kind of see my darkness poking through, but that's okay. I don't like to be like fully snatched. This looks way more natural when you have a little bit of darkness poking through. Okay, I'm scared to even set this because it is kind of matte, but let's just set half the face and see what it looks like with powder. So we're gonna use the Laura Mercier. Just gonna do a little light set. Grab a fluffy brush. I have a meeting in 6 minutes. I almost like it without the powder. I mean, it definitely did mattify a little bit more, so powder, no powder. Definitely did mattify it a little bit more, and I'm sure it'll help it lock into place longer, so we're gonna powder the whole face, but honestly, you might be able to get away with not setting this down with the powder. All right, let me do the other side real quick. We'll see the full final look. Okay, this is the final look with powder. It looks really good. I'm digging it. It doesn't look too heavy. It's definitely a matte concealer. It's coveragey, but not too coveragey. I've got to get to my meeting. You know the drill. We're gonna carry on through the day, and I will let you know what the tea is. I'll be right back. Do I look a little yellow? I feel like I look yellow. My lights, I'm sorry if I look yellow. We're back. It's been quite a few hours. I had a bunch of meetings. Just been sitting here though, not in the heat. And I do have to say this looks really nice on the skin, but it is not staying very matte. But it looks super, super nice. I'm just doing an inspect right now. Let me show you. It looks really nice on the skin. And for $7, hell yeah. This is awesome. And I like it, and I think I'm gonna keep using it. Okay, there's something in my beard. Gross. There was something in my beard. That's disgusting. I think I'm gonna keep using it and playing with it, but I like it. $7, looks really good on the skin. It says on here that it's a soft matte, but I would not say that it's a matte. It's definitely, I'm very shiny, but you know, that's fine. We can powder, but it just looks, I don't know if it looks like a filter on my skin, but it just looks really nice on the skin. So I would say this is a win. This is a win. Drugstore, $7 concealer, looks good. Thank you so much for joining me on this one. Hit the subscribe button. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. I will have a playlist down below linked to my other reviews, so you can check those out as well. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will check you on the next one.